In the last video, I gave you an introduction to this slide out cart plugin for Squarespace. This time, we're going to have a go at installing it. I've never used this one before, so I'm interested to see how it works. I think I've got the details in my order here. So I've just downloaded the README, which has got the script. And I'm going to copy that ready. But what we're going to do first is have a look at the page with the instructions. This feature here is if we want to redirect the checkout button, which I don't want to do in this one. I just want the standard feature. So I believe we're going to put this in the code injection. There we go. In the footer injections. We can also put it in a code block or markdown, but we want this to appear on every page because there are numerous pages that have the shopping cart. And also, even if someone was to add a product to the cart and then come back to this afterwards, we want them to have that feature enabled regardless of whatever page they're on. So I'm going to log into the admin for Pixelated Academy, and now we're going to have a go at putting this in place. So I'm going to use the /, which is a shortcut, and I'm going to search for code, and then it'll come up with the code injection option. This means I don't have to go through the different settings here on the site. I believe if you were to look for it, I think it's in Pages, then under Website Tools, Squarespace keep changing this. And there we go, code injection. So 2 ways of finding it. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. We've got quite a lot of code in this site. So we're going to make sure we put it in the footer section. And we're going to add it to the bottom here. Make sure that's all put in place. And then we're going to add a comment. So exclamation mark, 2 dashes. And that should be grayed out when we put it in as a comment. It's always good to comment our code, because if one of the other developers picks this up and starts working with it, then they'll know exactly what we're working with then. Not essential, but it's good practice to put that in. Now we can press save, and that should be the installation process. Let's go to a new tab and launch Pixelated Academy. Now we click on the shopping cart, and voila. We now have this pull-out shopping cart, and there's not really much I want to do in terms of customizing this. It's a nice, efficient system that grays out the background of the site, so we can see this has got darker behind, and we can access from any location. So it doesn't matter what page we're on, what section of the page, it really doesn't get in the way of our content. So let's go to our Squarespace plugins page, for example. And we go to further down, and let's add another product to the shopping cart, and now we can see that's come out automatically. If we're starting to add a lot of products to it, we've got this internal scroller on the shopping cart, which is another handy feature. And from there, we can go to checkout, and this is where it should pick up the steps from there. So the products are now added in. We covered this in the last tutorial where we went to this step using the vanilla Squarespace option of not having the slide out drawer. So all it does is it replaces those initial steps. It removes the number of clicks we need. We don't have to have a full page refresh and reload, and it becomes a really nice shopping cart companion to go alongside our product catalog. I'm a big fan of that. And that's now within a few minutes up and running on our Squarespace site. And remember that you can buy this on a single-use license or multiple-use license. So we can see here, single use for $40, multiple use for $70. One final thing, we at Pixelated Academy have partnered up with Square Websites to offer a design power pack specifically for Squarespace designers. This can either be purchased on an annual basis membership or a monthly membership. This includes every single one of the Square Websites plugins. It includes SquareForge, our master template builder for Squarespace, that allows over 300 different page structures that you can bring in to any website. And with the Square Websites tools extension, like this one here, we can take a section from our SquareForge master here and bring this as a starting structure on any Squarespace site. That means whether you're starting it now or you're updating an existing Squarespace site. We're very proud of this combination, and there's information available at pixelhaze.academy/Squarespace designer, and I'll leave a link for you to find out more. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll be back with more very soon.